What's up, YouTube? I am back with another video. I know it's been a while. It's been like a month or so, but we're not gonna talk about that. This video, I actually really like it. I kind of butchered it at the end, but like a boomerang, I brought it right back. If it didn't turn out well, you guys probably wouldn't be seeing this video. So obviously it turned out pretty well. Before we begin, I just want to shout out all my subscribers. I want to thank you so much. I know I haven't said that in a while, but I really appreciate you guys sticking through my hiatuses. I know I don't post for sometimes a month, 2 weeks, or however long the time frame is, but you guys stay subscribed. The community is amazing, and I really want to appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys for all the support and all the love that you send my way, and I just want to say thank you so much. We're really close to 100 subscribers. I think we're at 63 right now, which is actually kind of cool. 63, that's like what? I wouldn't say a classroom. It's a little bigger than a classroom, but not quite a college lecture hall. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Almost 100 subscribers, and it feels kind of insane. It feels surreal. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is Carbon Drawings, where the drawings are carbon and whatnot. I just want to ask you guys to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications. You'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And at the moment, it's not quite consistent, but having that bell notification always lets you know when that new video is out. But anyways, let's get on with the video. If you guys probably checked the title of the video, I actually have a name for this little mini series I've been doing with these Pinterest, or these people I find off Pinterest. I thought I wanted to do just Pinterest, but I like the 100 faces. Did I say 100 heads? Sorry. 100 faces idea, where I'm not limited to just Pinterest. I can go to Google Images, or maybe the people I find off the street, and sometimes I draw them. I just didn't want to be limited in where I could pull my references from. And they're not just going to be faces that I pull references from. They're going to be my own original faces or whatnot. I just didn't want to be limited to Pinterest, which is why I named it the way I did. Fun facts. Actually, there's something called the 100 Head Challenge. And before even discovering that was a thing, I kind of named these videos, or this playlist, this series, whatever you want to call it. I named it, so I did not copy it. Some of you guys are probably thinking to yourselves that this is something you've heard of, blah, blah. No, this is 100% original thoughts. Kind of, not really, but I kind of want to do that 100 head challenge after I've completed my 100 faces, just to see how much I've grown. Again, I've made this series because I suffer from one-faceitis, which is a disease most new artists suffer from, where all their faces tend to look the same, which is why I'm trying to branch out and pull from as many faces as I can. And the next coming videos, I don't want to say the next one because I don't know if I'm going to post that one next, but the next couple videos, you guys are in for a treat, so definitely stick around. Definitely why you should subscribe. So I'm kind of at the end of my rope on what to talk about. Actually, if you've stuck around the video so far, I want to thank you. It's not over yet, but you've probably seen some really interesting transitions and angles on which I'm using for the videos. Definitely let me know if you like that in the comment section down below, because I was thinking of doing more videos like that where I add music. If you've seen my line video, if you haven't, check that out. I'll probably put a card up top somewhere, I don't know, on the screen. That was a failure. And do more videos like that. Or if you rather me just talk over my videos like I am now, that's fine too. Just let me know your thoughts. I'm really curious. But it was definitely fun making recording some of these shots of my drawing, rather than just a top-down view, zooming in on the hair as you see right now, or zooming in on a face, blah, 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 blah. And I just want to say right now, drawing curly hair is probably the most satisfying thing ever. If you've ever seen Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends, If you haven't, you should be ashamed of yourself. I don't know where your childhood went, but whatever. If you've ever seen Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends, if you remember the scribbles, that's essentially what you're doing. You're just making these really curly, loose lines. They're one of the most fun things to do in drawing, at least in my opinion. So the end of this drawing was actually very fun to do. But as you can hear, my outro's playing, so I gotta get out of here. If you enjoyed the video, definitely leave a like down below, comments, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification. If you could do me the biggest solid ever, share this video with your friends and family. That really helps the most, and peace. Bring all my melody.